Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 74 of a 100-day price action challenge. Coming to the market, you can see that Nifty is mostly flat and we have been expecting this from the last few days that in order for the market to form a bottom, it needs to consolidate for a little longer time. We never wanted V-shaped recoveries and that's exactly going as per our plan here. Even look at Nifty next 50, it is also almost flat today, going sideways from the last few sessions. The same thing happening on the Nifty 100 too. Coming to the mid cap, there has been some form of selling seen here. Still, they need to settle down. Even the small cap also needs to settle down. The micro cap is down again, trying to form a new low here. As long as they stop selling and they need to consolidate, only then we can say that at least a bottom has been formed in the market. I know many people have been eagerly waiting for the bottom, but again, don't read any articles, don't make any assumption, just see the price. If price is telling you that the market is forming bottom, then only believe it. Till then, keep the noise aside. That's how you save money in such market. Coming to the Nifty 500 too, it is also trying to form a sideways here. The 20,000 would be the most crucial support. Let's really hope that it doesn't go below this level. If it goes below this level, again, there would be some form of selling happening in the market. Even the Nifty index to India VIX has also cooled off a little bit. Gold is again, as usual, going sideways consolidation. Silver is slowly inching up. Looks like silver is getting a lot of traction than the gold because the movie is not yet finished in the silver, whereas in the gold we have seen a spectacular run, but we have not seen such kind of move on the silver, right? Coming to the sectors, banks are positive today, mildly positive, thanks to Kotak Mahindra Bank. The chart is looking very good. Let's see how that goes on from here on. Private banks are actually doing well, but look at PSU banks. The selling hasn't stopped yet. It is going low again. See, the last time I have already highlighted during this 2 days rally, right? Never ever trust this rally because this is kind of a sell on rise market. So please be careful if you are dealing with PSU banks. Look at IT. That's a major breakdown today. See, 3% down. That's massive sell off. Even this was the support level acting, right? And looks like today there was a lot of selling thanks to US global uncertainties and especially the sell off seen on tech stocks in US. That's why we are seeing such negative impact on the US stock, Indian stocks too. I have already told you that IT, when it broke down here, this is one of the most weak looking sector currently as of now, and it is slowly slipping away each day. Autos are mostly going sideways lately. Look again, reality. Yesterday it was up almost 3.5%, right? Gave back its half of the gains. Never trust the reality rally because there is lot of overhead supply. The last time too, it has moved up a very strong 15% only in 9 session, but just in again 7 session it gave back entire gains. That's how the currently market. Pharma is trying to consolidate here. That's a good sign on the pharma, just almost looking like a Nifty chart, right? Even infrastructure is also trying to consolidate here. That's a good thing happening. FMCG is also consolidating finally, but again, let's expect that it doesn't go below this level. If it goes again, you know what happens in the market. Telecom looks like because of Airtel, the even the entire telecom stocks across mid cap and small caps were also sliding down today. Please let me know, is there any important update happening on the telecom side in the comment section. Healthcare, just like pharma, going sideways. Again, media is slipping down. That's it for the sector analysis. Now let's come to a daily 100 stock analysis. Reliance is trying to form a consolidation here. That's a very good thing because it is one of the major weight on Nifty. TCS, as usual, we expected that this was the lower high formed and now it is forming another lower low. This was the first breakdown. It did not even stop non-stop. That was almost a 13%. Then there was a light of 4.5% up move. Again, it got sold into it. HDFC Bank still consolidating. It is one of the largest weights of Nifty. If HDFC Banks makes a positive move, it can actually change the direction of Nifty. Let's expect from HDFC Bank that it has to do something. Airtel today it was the 2% gap up in the morning, but looks like the stock has again looks like there are a lot of some negative news have come into telecom. I guess that's why we are seeing such huge sell off across all telecom stocks. ICICI, yesterday it was a good move and still it is holding that. That's a good sign from ICICI Bank. Look at Infosys. This was the breakdown we have talked yesterday, right? It in fact gave a hint one day before the IT melt off. Look at here, massive, massive selling. The volumes are very, very, very high. Not at all looking good, IT stocks. We have identified Infosys somewhere around here. It has a breakdown of this mini flag kind of pattern. From there, we have seen a huge, huge sell off in Infosys. SBI going sideways, nothing important. Hindustan Unilever not looking good again. See, looks like it is forming a lower low again. This was the lower high. Couldn't reach this high in the past. Bajaj Finance taking its time. That's a good thing. It is consolidating again, coming back to its all-time high. That's one of the very strong stock we are having in Nifty 50. ITC is also trying to move up. Looks like it is trying to form a bottom. Let's expect that at least ITC is forming a bottom. LIC not looking very good, still below its 221-day moving average. HCL Tech is also sliding down. L&T still deciding its direction here. It should not break this 34 for 31.42 level here. Maruti going sideways as of now. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Very, very, very strong move today. Even the volumes were also high. Looks like finally the Kotak is back into the game. This was the first time it has made a huge gap and a 9% strong move. From the time onwards, it was consolidating. It was taking the time to absorb all the supply. Looks like today all the supply has been dried up and the buyers has taken the domination on the day. Even the weekly chart also Kotak looks good, but still there are a lot of levels. This 2000 is the psychological figure. It would ideally face some form of resistance over there, but still as of now Kotak is looking good. But the market condition is not looking good. Hence, I'm not taking any kind of interest in such market. Sun Pharma is also trying to recover back. This would be the next resistance level. Let's wait and see how it goes. Mahindra and Mahindra holding at the support zone. So is Ultratech. Axis Bank again got reversed. It tried to move up here. I thought, okay, banks were getting better, but looks like Axis needs some more time here. NTBC, very good consolidation happening here. It is clearly forming a constructive base here. Looks like it is forming a bottom, but still the bottom is not yet confirmed. It needs to close at least above this 350. Only then I would say that NTPC has formed a bottom. WIPRO, another huge sell off today. You can see here, right? This was one big candle. This was one big candle. See, once the IT sector, this was one of the strongest names in IT. It used to be this entire correction from September 24, where the market has made a top. This stock was moving up, but now the sentiment has entirely changed against the IT thanks to Donald Trump. Bajaj Finserv going sideways. ONGC also very weak. ONGC is going down. Titan is also slipping down. Adani enter. Adani stocks are finally looks like they are forming a bottom. They're tightly consolidating here. Let's expect that they break above this trend line and hold some levels for few more days. Then we can say that's a good thing for market, right? Tata Motors finally moving up. Let's expect that the bottom has formed, but I don't usually trust it. I want the confirmation on the chart. As of now, I don't see any bottom formation. Power grid, nice consolidation. Looks like we are seeing some consolidations. Bajaj Auto still lot of overhead supply, not that great. Jindal still, it is still holding these levels, right? I'm really surprised. The market is shaking up and down, but this stock is holding those levels. I like how it is holding. Adani Ports is also trying to form a consolidation, probably trying to make a bottom here. Let's wait and see how it goes. DMart not looking very good as of now. Looks like everyone, people would call this as double bottom formation. We would only confirm the double bottom when it breaks above this resistance line somewhere around here. Only then we can say it has formed a double bottom. Coal India not looking good, that interesting as of now. It needs to form a bottom. So let me just remove this indicator in a quick. Hindustan Aeronautical, nice base forming here. Let's hope that it breaks above this level, then we are good to go. Otherwise, if it breaks down this consolidation, that would be a little bit trouble for HL. Tomato not looking good. Nestle again, long consolidation. Asian Paints is also not looking good. See, it got rejected at 50 EMA. That's not good. Adani Power still struggling at this important resistance and this trend line. Let's wait for a few more sessions. Let it give some time. Bharat Electronics nicely holding up above this support. That's a good sign from Bharat Electronics. Trend not looking good as of now. Simon still heading down very weak. Tata Steel is also holding this level. That's a good thing from Tata Steel. Looks like the metals are doing very well lately. Even Indigo has taken it. Did not even touch this trend line. It is again moving up. That's a good sign from Indigo too. IOC needs to close above this 130 level, then I can say at least some kind of bottom formed. DLF, I won't trust real estate stocks as of now. They are looking very weak. Grasim not good. Foreign beverages needs to come at least to this 540 level. IRFC still struggling at the bottom here. Vedanta another good name, but again needs to come above this 450 466 level. Tech Mahindra, another huge selling today. See, IT stocks are not looking good. Divi Slab, it is actually stuck between this range, so it might take some more time for it to come out of it. SBI going sideways. LTIM, see, huge selling. See, this is one of the most fallen stock in IT, I guess. This also used to be a strong. This was the first. This was the second, but this is where this gap down is where we need to understand that the stock was not looking good. From that point onwards, we have seen huge selling. Geo Finance trying to settle down, but again, let's wait for a few more sessions. Hindalco acting very well, one of the strongest names in metal space as of now. Pidilite going sideways, Eicher Motors still very choppy, no trend. HDFC Life going sideways. Adani Green also needs to form a bottom, still hasn't formed yet. Bajaj holding not well. PFC going sideways as of now. LODHA, see, yesterday it gave 5.5% returns, and the entire gains were taken back today. That's why I don't trust real estate stock. Cipla again got rejected at this resistance, slowly slipping down each day. Ambuja Cement sideways, Britannia sideways. Cholamandalam, I'm still surprised it is holding these levels. That's a good thing. NBFC stocks are attracting some money. Probably it is moving from IT space, I guess. ABB going sideways. Tata Power needs to form a bottom still. It needs to hold. It needs to come at least above this 375, 376 level. TVS Motors sideways. Godrej Consumer sideways. Sriram Finance is also still respecting this level. That's a good thing. It was one of the first stocks which have changed the direction. The trend has been changed on Sriram Finance. Now I think we can delete this line. I would like to draw a new line. I know you would be hating me why I'm changing the line. Let it consolidate here and let it break above this level. That would be very good. PPCL tried to move above 50-day moving average but closed exactly at the opening, so flat almost. Punjab National Bank not looking good. Baroda not looking good. PSU banks not looking good. Even Gale not looking good. Torrent Pharma hanging at the support zone. Sri Cement still consolidating here. If it breaks down below this 27,000, that would be a little bit selling. REC sideways. Tata Consumer very choppy, going sideways, doing nothing. United Spirits trying to form a bottom here, but again, let's wait for some confirmation. Havells not looking good. Knocker is also slipping down each day. Dr. Reddy's made a new low today. Dabur still stuck between this micro zone. Apollo Hospitals going sideways. Zydos Life Science going sideways. Union Bank sideways. Motherson not looking good. Jindal Steel again little bit better than other stocks, but again lot of overhead supply left. Lombard also going sideways. One day it is moving up, one day it is moving down. IPRO slowly slipping down. See how smart the IPRO is. It doesn't hurt much, but it is killing each day. Investors slowly it came all the way from 770 to 545. JSW Energy now trying to close above this support. That's a good attempt. Let's wait for a few more sessions. INDUSIND yesterday it was a huge selling, and today we have seen lot of short covering. Obviously, short covering would be happening on INDUSIND. Do not touch this stock for a few more days. Only touch the stock if it goes above 928. I am assuming that it won't be that easy for the stock to reach that level again. And we know the history of bank crisis. Whenever a banking stock falls something like this, rarely it has come up. Adani Energy Solutions, that looking very good actually. Last few sessions you can see here, right? Lot of good buying happening here. So I have drawn a line around this 840 zone. If it comes above that, we can say that the stock has formed a bottom. So let's wait for this level. Let's not rush it. Bosch going sideways. Canara Bank still slowly slipping down. Hero MotoCorp not looking good. NHPC, wow, it is touching the trend line. Let's wait and see. Last time too, it has done the same thing but got quickly rejected. Bharat Electronics not doing good. BHEL, Adani Total is not looking good. IRCTC also not looking good. Looks like most of the stocks are going sideways as of now. So is Nifty. Let's wait for a few more sessions. Let's be very patient. Once the bottom is formed, once there is first sign of reversal, we can initiate little test positions. Till then, let's stay out of the market. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow.